Hello everyone, my name is Fiyin and my other group members are Ellis and Quinn, and we are making a Raspberry Pi gaming console. So what is our project? So we're creating a miniature plug-and-play console modeled around the Raspberry Pi. And although we have, I guess, in our market several options of handheld and home consoles, our product, I guess, our product would use the Raspberry Pi computer to make a more customizable and price-efficient option from the retro gaming space. So, who are we making it for? Our audience would be individuals who would want easy access to play games wherever they want, however they want. And then, because there is a renaissance of retro gaming, we also would provide for the people in that space. So, we would be making the products for people that don't want to spend a lot of money on games that they would have to use and then discard in a few weeks. In that sense, the price, the affordability is what makes our product and the customizability what makes our product attractive to these individuals who would be producing it for.
Thank you, Fiyin. I'm Quinn. Our product consists of three major parts: a top casing, a bottom casing, and a stand. The materials would be mostly plastic and metal, with our major parts, the casing being heat-resistant plastic, while the screws themselves will be metal. And the general design is essentially as a handheld device with a screen on the top with multiple sides with different ports for USB, Ethernet power, etc. And of course the stand to hold it up when it is placed on a surface. Here are some models, an orthographic view and a front view with some details on the side. You can see each of the different ports, the power button and vent on the right side. If you see in the middle picture, um, and essentially these ports will be used for power, HDMI, USB, Ethernet, all the different things that you'll need. And so I'll pass it off to Ellis.
Thank you, Quinn. I'm Ellis, and we're looking at sketches. We'll be focused on the bottom one, where you'll be seeing the interior stuff. The previous slides we are seeing the exterior stuff. We are seeing the interior here. And the bottom casing at the bottom, you see the motherboard. That will be where the software stuff will be, and obviously the next line that will be where the screen, and that's how it connects to the top case. On the right picture, that's where the stand will be attached to, allowing us to able to be put on the table for us to play with the remote control. Again, we're not making the remote control, we're just making the case around it. And next slide. The goal of this project is to again allow experience of retro gaming, and because these large games, the large AAA companies are making are not very accessible, because we believe the experience of gaming is inclusive, family, friends, a human experience, and that's the goal of this console is to provide that. And thank you for listening in, and if you have any feedbacks, and uh, we'll be willing to listen to them. Thank you for coming in.